Namaskar, I'm Gogi from How to Do It. Today we're gonna talk about that how we can easily check or test internet speed on your mobile phone. First of all, many time it happens that we listen that internet speed is fast, not very fast or anything like this, and then we think that how we can test this internet speed on our mobile phone. First of all, requesting you like the video and subscribe the channel for get more videos like this. Now what we have to do, we have to go to internet browser, and over there we have to click on this search button or type or speak speedtest.net. When we search speedtest.net, we will find this ookla website. Click on that, and after that it will start speed testing. Click on this go, and it will start searching for speed test, finding this speed test and ping and everything you will find over here. That's the process how you can easily find the speed of your internet. Hope you understood that how you can check out the internet speed of your mobile phone or Wi-Fi or broadband. And if you like this video, don't forget to like, share with your family and friends. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon to forget more videos like this. Be with us, keep learning how to do it.